Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is 1.NBT.4, add within 100, including adding a two-digit number and a one-digit number, and adding a two-digit number and a multiple of 10 using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. Understand that in adding two-digit numbers, one adds tens and tens, ones and ones, and sometimes it is necessary to compose a 10. Our essential question is, what strategies can you use to add or subtract? And our I can statement is, I can use place value to add. Today you will be taking a test, and this is what it looks like. 1.NBT.4, adding two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers. Now we'll do the first two together, and I'll show you a couple of strategies that you can use. So number one is 31 plus 7. Of course, we can use our place value strategy where we identify the numbers in each place. Okay? We always add or subtract starting in the ones place. So right here I have 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. And right now it's easier for some of us as a visual to go ahead and to separate those numbers. Right here we have 3 plus, and there's nothing there, so we'll treat it as 0, or you can simply bring that 3 down. And so your sum of 31 plus 7 is 38. Now what you could do, you can also count on. I can put 31 in my head, and I can count up 7 numbers in order to get 38. So 31 is here, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I put the big number in my head, and I added 7, so I counted on. So your answer or your sum is 38. Okay. So now let's do number 2. You can do number 2 either way as well. We have 42 plus 3. So if we look, we will notice that the 2 and the 3 are in our ones place, and we always start in our ones place to add. 2 plus 3 is 5. If you need to just cover one side up, that's fine as well. If you need to draw little circles as a model to represent 2 and 3, you can do that as well. All right, this is 4 plus, and remember, there's nothing there, so we treat it as 0, or you can simply just remember to bring the 4 down. So 42 plus 3 is 45. Or we can count on in our head. We put 42 up here, and we count on 3 fingers. 42 is here, my fist is balled. 43, 44, 45. Okay, so 42 plus 3 is 45. Now remember, this is a test. I want you to do your best, and I will see you next time.